Hello kids, how are you? Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, black color, red color, pink color, light green color, light pink color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color. Let's learn alphabets. Alphabet A for ant, A for aeroplane. B for box, B for butterfly. C for carrot, C for candy. D for dinosaur, D for dolphin. E for elephant, E for eggplant. F for fabric, F for farmer. G for goat, G for grapes. H for house, H for hat. I for ice cube, I for ice cream. J for jellyfish, J for juice. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. M for music, M for museum. N for nest, N for needle. O for orange, O for octopus. P for pencil, P for parrot. Q for question, Q for quotation. R for rainbow, R for rabbit. S for students, S for snake. T for turtle, T for Tunisia. U for universe. V for vulture. W for watermelon, W for water. X for Xerox, X for X-ray. Y for yogurt, Y for yo-yo. Z for giraffe, Z for zinc, Z for zebra. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.